Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Nkanelo Gingirikani with me, Mandla Gingirikani Ogamashap. Okay, let's get right into it, guys. King Monada has released another song. It's a hit, as you know. Every December he always gives us bangers, and this one is also one of those bangers that is already taking Limpopo, taking South Africa by storm. So if you haven't heard the song, it's called Thuthuthu. The song sort of talk about the kind of a dance which sort of imitate bikers. So people are dancing to the song, and there's already a challenge out there. That the fans of King Monada have already started a challenge, to challenge. Yeah, it's getting crazy out there, guys. So my question is this going to also replicate what happened last year with Idibala? I'm not sure. And also, another question is this single Thuthuthu sort of a counter to Matorokisi? Is King Monada trying to counter Matorokisi by Makhadzi? Because Makhadzi did almost like a transport mode type of song with Matorokisi, where you talking about the train, and then you're imitating a train, how a train, you saw the challenge with Matorokisi, and then he comes back and give us to imitate a biker or bikers, So is this almost like a counter, or what's happening? Why would he have to make a song about Thuthuthu if it's not to counter Matorokisi? Do you think Matorokisi is better than Thuthuthu, or do you think Thuthuthu is now made sure that all the coaches are removed? Now the train is no longer moving. Did it come to stop the train? Those are the questions. But I feel like Thuthuthu is a good song. It's really, really a good song. Matorokisi, for me, I feel like if I had to compare the two, I don't like comparing Limpopo artists, but because they all use similar kind of themes in their songs with Matorokisi and Thuthuthu, and it's all almost like a similar sounds, I feel justified to actually compare the two, to say if I can put Thuthuthu on this side and I put Matorokisi on this side, which one will you go for? Will you go for Thuthuthu on the left? Is it right? Is it the left? Yeah, I'm not good with this thing. Okay, on my left I have Thuthuthu. On my right I have Matorokisi. Which one would you go for? Matorokisi or Thuthuthu? For me, I think I'll go for Matorokisi. As much as Thuthuthu is also good, maybe it's because I've heard Matorokisi so much that I've seen the challenge and I've danced to the song already. So I feel like Matorokisi is taking the challenge right now, is winning. But you are free to differ with me, and maybe Thuthuthu is also going to catch fire as well, like what happened last year with Idibala, and then it goes global, But now I think Matorokisi is taking it for me. I'll go for Matorokisi for now. This is very funny, guys. Another thing is DJ Tira is doing songs with King Monada and Makhadzi. So is King Monada now inspiring other DJs from other provinces to like follow this kind of music genre that he does? Because I see DJ Tira is also one of the guys who's featured. King Monada is also featuring Makhadzi as well in one of the songs. So even Gigi Lamesh did a song with King Monada. So it looks like the sounds of Limpopo is now taking South Africa by storm, and I feel it's high time. Can I say that Limpopo is actually dominating this December, guys? I'm not sure. I've heard Prince KB has released a song already. He did a remix from last year's Gugule too. I just feel like it's the same, I'm not sure if there's a song that can take over Thuthuthu and Matorokisi right now in South Africa. I even had a song that would take over these 3 songs. I mean, Matorokisi and Thuthuthu. I even had a song that would do that. So, I'm not sure. Maybe I stand to be corrected, Talk to me down below. Say what you think is right and correct. There's no right answer here. We're all trying to Nkanelo. We're trying to debate and see what is right, what's wrong. There's no right answer. There's no wrong answer. You can say whatever you want. But I feel like King Monada is a good artist, and I think Thuthuthu can catch fire later. But for now, I feel like Matorokisi. Matorokisi are still on track, guys. I'm sorry, but I know many people like King Monada, including myself, but I feel like Matorokisi right now is taking it. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Click the red button. It's for free. You don't get charged to do that. I know some people feel like when you subscribe or you hit the notification bell, then there will be money which will be deducted from your bank account, your Capitec Bank, No. Just hit subscribe to show that you like the channel, and also you hit the notification bell so that whenever we do our shows, you are the first to receive it. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Don't be stingy with those subscriptions, guys. Please. It's for free. It is for free, people. It's for free. So for me, I would say King Monada, I don't know if it's a good strategy to try to counter Makhadzi, because I personally feel like it's a counter to Makhadzi for Matorokisi. Maybe he's trying to remove the Matorokisi from the railway track. I don't know. With Thuthuthu, But how many people can fit in a Thuthuthu or bike? It's only 2 people, right? Sometimes 3, depending on the kind of bike that you're riding. But I will go for Matorokisi for now, because the whole country can fit in there. Ai que fio, é que está sempre lenhora. Am testing totora. Dinaniwe. Salute. Mga titumel. Hey, dinadora.